Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to change to mute your device ringtone volume you should hold and swipe to the left side this blue dot. And that's it. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, then click here to these three dots to activate the full volume panel settings, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe it to the left. So then just tap to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.